Hi there! Are you learning English and wondering how to introduce yourself with confidence? Today, we're going to learn some easy and useful phrases to tell people who you are, where you're from, and what you do. Here are Alex, the teacher, and Lena, the student, to help you.
Hello, what is your name?
Hello, my name is Lena.
Nice to meet you, Lena.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, great. And how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I study computer science.
That's wonderful. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. English is fun.
That's good to hear. Keep practicing and you will improve fast.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, Lena. See you next time.
See you, teacher.
Here are useful phrases to help you in introducing yourself. My name is... I'm blank years old. I'm from blank. I live in blank. I'm a blank, say your job. I'm learning English because... Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice. Meeting someone for the first time.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Lizzie. What's your name?
I'm Dimitri. Nice to meet you, Lizzie.
Nice to meet you too, Dimitri.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, that's cool. I'm from Canada.
Wow. Is it cold in Canada?
Yes, it's very cold in winter.
I want to see snow one day.
You should. It's beautiful.
Thank you, Dimitri.
You're welcome, Lizzie.
Useful phrases. What's your name? How are you? Where are you from? Nice to meet you.